Louis Gossett Jr., the first black man to win supporting Oscar award, dies at age 87. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Louis Gossett Jr., the first black man to win the Best Supporting Actor Oscar Award, has died at age 87 years old. The New York-born actor won the Academy Award in 1982 for his role as a gunnery sergeant Emil Foley in The Officer and Gentleman. Gossett also won an Emmy Award in 1978 for his role in Roots, the groundbreaking hit TV series about slavery. His death was confirmed by his family to local and international media outlets. Gossett made his Broadway debut as a teenager and later stars in shows such as Raising in the Sun and Golden Boy. He went on to gain critically acclaim across a six-decade career. Gossett continued acting into the later part of his life, and his last role was in the 2003 musical remake of Color Purple. The star died on Thursday night, March 28, in Santa Monica, California, according to his nephew, who told the Associated Press. His cause of death up to the publication of this report was not disclosed. He was the first black man in history to win the prize and also won a Golden Globe for the same performance, opposite to co-star Richard Gere and Deborah Winger. Gossett was born on the 27th of May 1936 in Coney Island district of Brooklyn, New York, to his father Louis, a porter, and his mother Helen, a nurse. He added the suffix Jr. later in his career to honor his father. However, Gossett also noted that his Oscar win did not change the fact that he was never cast in a leading role, and he only played supporting characters throughout his career. He survived by a son, one of which, Sadie, is a producer-director from his second marriage, and Sharon, a chef whom he adopted after seeing the 7-year role in a TV segment on Children in Desperate Situation. His first cousin is actor Robert Gossett. Links 007 TV would like to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.